Look at an example of problem 27 from section 3.2. So they're not asking us to do the separate pieces this time. They're just saying, here's a function, let's find the difference quotient. Now, they're not using the a this time. They're just using the f of x. You already have f of x, right? We need to do f of x plus h. And this one will be a little more complicated because we're going to square it and put it here. So let's do f of x plus h. So negative 2 times x plus h squared plus 4 times x plus h. Parentheses are needed there. Right, and now we need to clean it up. This I'm going to write twice and do FOIL. So x plus h times x plus h will be x squared plus xh plus another xh outside and inside, which gives me 2xh plus h squared. That is just the x plus h squared. Now you have a negative 2 in front of that, so I'm going to bring this all down. This is really testing your algebra skills, right? Distribute your negative 2. So I have negative 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared. We're going to distribute the 4 plus 4x plus 4h plus 3. Right. This is f of x plus h. We're going to subtract f of x. So we'll distribute a minus to each of those. So let's see if I can get a little more space. I can see it from the other screen. All right, so this is f of x plus h. All right, this last line is f of x plus h. So I'm going to go ahead and put that. Right? I'm going to need to subtract f of x. So I'll distribute a negative to all of those. So if I distribute it on the first one, that will give me plus 2x squared will give me minus 4x minus 3. All right, all of that is on your numerator, and it's over h. So we need to clean that up. We'll go down just a little bit. All right, so get a red pen and see what we can cross off. So looks like I can get rid of 4x and minus 4x. I can get rid of negative 2x squared plus 2x squared minus 3 plus 3. And that looks like all I can get rid of right now. So I'm going to rewrite what I have left. So I have negative 4xh minus 2h squared plus 4h all over h. So if I factor on the numerator, I can choose to take out a negative 2 and an h. Doing a GCF. All right, so this would leave me a 2 and an x. All right, I've pulled the negative out and one of the h's. So it's going to leave me a plus h. And from here, I've pulled out a negative, so it's going to leave me minus 2, and I've taken the h out. All of this is over h. And now I can cancel this h with the outside. So we could multiply that back together. I have negative 4x minus 2h plus 4. You wouldn't necessarily have to factor like I did. If you saw an h in every term, you could have crossed it off with this one. That would have been okay to do. I was going the safe route, but you would get the same answer.